Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to another lesson here at English Corner. I'm James, and I'm so glad you could join us today. Our word of the day is substantiate. It is a beautiful, professional word that will truly help you sound more advanced. So, what does it mean to substantiate? Simply put, it means to provide evidence to support or to prove the truth of a statement or a claim. Think of it as making your argument solid, strong, and undeniable for your listeners. Now you might ask, why is this word so important in professional English? Well, in the business world, your credibility is everything. When you use the word substantiate, you are showing others that you value proof and logic. It moves you away from just making simple claims and moves you toward actually proving them with facts. This makes your communication much more persuasive and highly respected by your colleagues and your managers. Let's look at our first example. You need to substantiate your claims with clear data and statistics. This means you shouldn't just say something is true, you should show the numbers that prove it. For our second example, they were able to substantiate the allegations through a series of internal documents. In this case, the evidence comes from written records, making the situation very formal and serious. And our third example, can you substantiate your request for a budget increase? When you ask for more money or resources, you must be ready to show exactly why that increase is necessary for your project. You will often hear this word used in common phrases or collocations. For example, you might talk about substantiating your claims, substantiating your research findings, or even having enough proof to fully substantiate a new theory. If you want to use different words with a similar meaning, you can try validate, verify, corroborate, or confirm. All of these words emphasize the importance of having strong evidence. I truly hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, please support us by hitting that like button, subscribing to English Corner, and clicking the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next lesson.